look at some more equations where we see rational numbers making an appearance. So here I see x plus 1/5 equals negative 3/5. So what am I going to do? Well, what I'd like to do is undo the addition by, you guessed it, subtracting from both sides. And what do I subtract? I subtract the 1/5 from both sides. On this side, I just get x because this produces a 0. And here I see a negative 3/5 minus 1/5. That's going to be negative 4/5. So x equals negative 4/5 is the answer. Again, we just undo whatever's there and then deal with the rational numbers as we need to. How about y minus 1/3 equals 7/12? Okay, well, again, I've got y minus 1/3 equals 7/12. I'm going to undo the subtraction by adding to both sides, because I have to keep it even and balanced, 1/3. So here I see negative 1/3 plus 1/3, that's just 0. So on the left, I'm just left with y. So I've isolated the unknown, that's perfect. Equals, and here I see 7/12, and I'm supposed to add 1/3. So I better get a common denominator to add these two fractions up. And it's easy to see the common denominator will be 12. I'll multiply the numerator and denominator of 1/3 by 4. So I see plus 4/12. And when I add these up, I see 11/12. And so y equals 11/12. Neat. So you have to use fractional stuff and put it together, but once you got that, we're home free. Let's try one last one together. 5/8 z equals 5/9. Okay, well, what are we going to do? Well, to undo the multiplication of 5/8, I'm just going to multiply both sides by 8/5. And again, we do it on both sides because we want to keep this all balanced. And you can see we can simplify here a lot. This simplifies completely, and I'm just left with z. And here, even this side simplifies a little bit. And I see 8/9. 8/9. So z equals 8/9. No problem.